Welcome to the Open edX How to Video series. This video is sponsored by Abstract Technology and presented by Stefania Trabucchi, CEO.
Open edX. When you export your course, you can use the course export and import feature in Studio for different purposes. To save a backup copy of the course, to save a particular status in the course creation, to move a course to another Open edX platform manually. In the video, we will explain you how to successfully do this. First, log in the studio of your platform. Click on the drop-down menu on Top Tools. When opening the drop-down, click on Export. By clicking the big blue button in the center of the page saying Export Course Content. While the system is preparing the course for export and compressing the content, feel free to check the list of items, which ones are and which ones are not included in the export. When the system is ready, you can download the course as a compressed style GZ file. To do this, simply press the Export Course button and save it in your local storage. Why importing your course content? Importing existing content is a very useful feature and might be of interest as it saves time and effort, it makes course content creation and editing easier, it is straightforward when content needs to be shifted from one platform to another. In the video, we will explain you how to successfully do this. Now, to import a course into your platform, being in the studio, navigate to the course which you want to substitute with the locally stored course version. Click on the drop-down menu on Top Tools. Then, when opening drop-down, click on Import. Now, click the big green button to say Choose a file to import. Choose the course from your local storage. Once selected, click the green button saying Replace my course with the selected file. While the system imports your course content, you can follow the progress and once ready, click on the button View Updated Outline. This will take you directly to the outline view of your studio.